Uh, I woke up like this. I woke up like this. Ho, hey ho, they call me Missy M, Queen of Rap, Nicki M, hating on her be Lil Kim, dissing her after her own flawless verse. Shows Lil Kim is so nervous, Minaj be on that top spot while Lil Kim is nowhere on top. Ho, get off that mic. Ho, get off that mic. You choking every time you spit. Nicki Minaj is the shit. Lil Kim, you about to trip. Looking like Chucky's bride after all that plastic switch. But hold up. Wait, I have something else to say. Nicki Minaj don't play those games. Hating is for the lame. So bow down, Kim, to the real queen of rap, and that's not your name. Step aside because Nicki Minaj just took over the rap game. All she does is win. Sit back, relax, drink mixed Moscato, and take some notes while you at it, Kim.